Great opportunity for the right investor. California Cattle Ranch, Gem of the Sierras. 3,000-acre ranch, location 200 miles north of Los Angeles, California, in Exeter, California, between Three Rivers and Springville, southeast of Visalia. New pipe corrals with loading chute and scales, holding pens with water. Large 100-ton barn. Headquarters. Main home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, gas heat, large patio, attached 2-car garage, shop, tack room, utilities, electricity and telephone service. Additional income. Cell tower with lease. Working cattle ranch divided into 4 separate pastures with water at both ends of each pasture. Currently running 350 cows and their offspring. All cows and bulls are Black Angus. Cattle graze on native grass and no antibiotics or hormones used. All organic beef. Water, 2 year-round creeks, 9 ponds, waterfalls and streams, with water at both ends of each pasture, domestic well and pump. Terrain. The terrain is mostly gently rolling with elevations from 1,000 feet to 2,600 feet. Owner is in the process of parceling off 13 160-acre parcels. Wildlife. Good cross-section of wildlife, such as wild pigs, deer, bobcats, quail, ducks, dove, rabbits, bear, and wild turkey. Zoned agriculture, this is one of the finest cattle and recreational ranches in the Sierra Mountains. This property would be more than ideal for movie locations. This ranch has an excellent income from approximately 300 plus pairs on a year-round basis. Lots of lovely oak trees, waterfalls, ponds, streams, hiking trails, and scenic rolling hills make this ranch a gem of the Sierras waiting for you. Price, $5,500,000. We'll consider all reasonable offers. Option of leaseback or on-site management available. For the opportunity to discuss the cattle ranch in further detail, please contact Philip Physioc at psp112005@yahoo.com. Preferred to be contacted by email 702-822-0237.